It is Thursday, the 14th of April 2022, and welcome to our daily debrief. Just to recap, yesterday we had quite a big local and PGM sell program that came across the board with our market struggling to get up, whether it's profit taking or de risking ahead of the long weekend. But there was quite decent selling in our banks and across some of the plats. Just to look at some closing prices, we had the S&P and Nasdaq trade quite well post our close, with S&P up about 30 points since our close. Nasdaq 100 points, FTSE futures showing up 0.3% nearly. The VIX came in a little bit into the close. We've got Asia mostly green, with Nikkei and Hang Seng trading quite well, and Australian miners trading also quite well. Just to look at today's sort of plays, I don't think it's going to be too much as there is a long weekend coming up, and I think you might see some similar action with some bounces getting faded into the close of today. But yeah, just to look at one or two ideas, I think. First of all, Sasol, I think, is going to be quite an interesting player. I do think the energy space is still an area to be able to sort of have some longs and also long exposure. So just to quickly look at Sasol, I think it's sort of held quite well between this in this 350, 355 area to 370. I think the stock's getting quite tight in this area, and I think potentially it could break out. So watch this one quite closely. Trade a bit better in the States. So I think this one could, potentially a break of 380 would target 410 quite quickly. So watch Sasol. It does move quite quickly. The next stock of interest is TGAs. Just to look at it quickly, look how extended it is from its moving averages. The stock's had a hell of a run, but continues to trade quite well. Yeah, wouldn't pick a top yet, but let's watch for a reversal. There might be a quick scalp on the short side when it does show a bit of a reversal. But until then, you want to be long TGAs. And then, just to quickly look at a buy, another opportunity for pullback here. I think MTN, quite aggressive selling along with all the local selling, but it is coming into this sort of support. I think as long as 174 holds here, I think this stock is still a decent buy. So watch MTN today also. So just to recap, keeping it quite simple, looking to get long of Sasol, watch TGAs closely for reversal, and to buy MTN. Good luck for today.